This is your investment update for November 2018. Pretty crazy month, ended up pretty good. The S&P was up 2% and global stocks were up 1.5%. And unlike October, we had bonds up for the first time in a while. Domestic bonds were up 0.6 and global bonds were up 0.3. Intra-month, though, it wasn't that fun. The market started up about 3%, and then we did have an almost 7% peak to trough decline before the market rallied right after Thanksgiving. So we do still have a tremendous amount of volatility in the market, even though the headline numbers at the end of the month are good. Thankfully, we're moving into December. Traditionally, December is a pretty quiet month and generally pretty good for the market. However, there are a couple conflicting things going on. Trump just left the G20 meeting with an agreement with China to not mess with tariffs for the next 90 days. Market really, really liked that. It was up about 2.5% the day that was announced. But subsequently, there's been some kind of conflicting data moving around, particularly this morning. And so we don't really know what the truth there is. We're hopefully going to get some clarity on that. The market really does not like uncertainty. As that whole situation played out, you say one thing, market really likes it, throw some uncertainty in there, market goes down again. So also, we have the flattest yield curve we've had since July 2007. The last 9 recessions, the yield curve has flattened or inverted beforehand, so that's got everybody a little bit worried. And we did have the Fed chairman come out and make a statement last week where he basically led everybody to believe that the Fed believes we might be pretty close to a pause on hiking interest rates. That's kind of a dramatic change from where he was middle of the year, which was we're getting 4 hikes this year, 4 next year, and then all of a sudden to kind of intimate that we're close to a pause means that the Fed probably sees something on the horizon where the economy is going to slow. So we've got all that going on at once, but it is December. Economy is still doing pretty well right now, and hopefully we'll have a nice quiet holiday season here with the markets after we've had 2 really volatile months.